What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button right down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell right next to it. That way when I post videos, you'll get notified when I'm posting my videos. So today's video, I want to play more with this Naked Reloaded palette. This palette is just so pretty. The packaging is just so cute. It has like this how would you say, like the cover of it is just nice. I don't know how to explain it, but just so nice. And it comes with a mirror, and then it has all these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shades. And I think I want to play in this area of shades, not too many shades in here that I want to play with today, so just a few, and maybe like a brown wing liner. I want to try the wing liner from Benefit because I know that one's like super pigmented and just really pretty, like pretty brown, so that's what I want to try. But I have a different one and I'll show you guys once I get to the wing. But if you want to see how I play with this Naked Reloaded palette, then keep on watching. All right, let's zoom in. Whoop. Let's zoom out a little bit. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So I'm taking my It Cosmetics. This is the crease brush, and mine is like this rhinestone one. Look how pretty this thing is. If I can find it on the Ulta website, I'll go ahead and link it down below. But I bought it in store around, what was it, Black Friday? Yeah, I bought it like on Black Friday. Yeah, these are super, super cute. So let's get started. I'm gonna go in with the shade called Retro, which is this really, really pretty pinky, peachy shade. And I'm gonna tilt my head back just a little bit, and we're gonna apply it right in this crease right here, very lightly. This shade is just so pretty. So what I like to do sometimes with shadows is sometimes I'll go in the sweeping motions, but when I want to place a certain pigment, I'll go ahead and start tapping it on that location that I want it to focus on, and then I'll continue to blend. Same thing with the other eye, just tilt your head back a little bit. That way, this is so you can see where your actual crease is, where kind of your socket kind of has that indentation at. And you can tap it where you want that pigment to be at. And then if you're wondering what contacts I'm wearing, I am wearing the Decay contact lenses. These ones, I'm pretty sure the creamy beige contacts, or no, these are the Desert Dream. These are Desert Dream, the color. And these are like one of my favorite colors that they have in their collection. I do want to try some more colors out. They are made for like brown eyes, but any shade of color that you have, you can use these contacts. But I've noticed with other brands, sometimes when you try to use, like when you pick like a blue or a green, it doesn't pick up the pigment of that contact lens. And this is what Decay, they made their goal for like brown, specifically like brown eyes. So that's nice. I'll go ahead and link that down below as well. Okay, so now we got this pretty pinky shade going on. I think I want to play with a little bit of a brownie shade as well. So I'm going to go into this side of the palette into Boundaries, and we're just going to tap a little bit onto our brush and apply that. Let's apply that more so to the inner portion of our eye. Okay, so now that we got that crease color down, I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush. This is also from It Cosmetics. It says it's the smudger brush, but so you can like get that under your lash line and stuff. But I'm gonna go in with the shade Blur, which is a really neutral shade in here. I'm just gonna pick that up with the brush, tap off that excess, and we're gonna put this on the lid, and you can just tap that on there. This is such an easy look. So it should look like that. Okay, I'm gonna go off the camera and do this other eye, and I'll be back so we can do the liner. Okay, now that we got both eyes done, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Geller. This is like a jumbo kind of pencil eyeliner, and it's in the dark brown coal, and this is what that looks like. And this shade is really pretty. So we're gonna focus this on the lash line and just take your time with it. And the crazy thing is with this jumbo stick, I actually bought it in a 3-pack, and I found it at Marshall's, and I only paid, let's see, I paid $6.99 for it, and it was a Laura Geller Uptown Chic, and I guess it usually retails like, you can buy it for like $25, probably at like Ulta or something, but such a good like deal and everything. Yeah, I also got something else from Marshall's, because they do have name brand makeup items there too, so it's kind of like a TJ Maxx where you can find name brand makeup. So I was gonna do a wing, but I actually really like how simple this is, where it's just a really pretty like liner, has a tint of like a purpley brown, and it's just so stunning. It's really pretty. So let's go ahead and do our lower lash line real quick. Not gonna do nothing crazy or anything like that, but let's go in with the shade Brown Boundaries, what we used in our crease color, and tap off that excess, and we're gonna place this to my lower lash line. Something super subtle. Then let's go in with some mascara. I'm gonna use the Climax from NARS, and I need a new one because I feel like that's already going. I'm already like almost all out, and I like to start from the root of the lash and wiggle my way up. Trying to coat each single lash. Then towards the end of my lashes, what I'll do is I'll flip the wand. So instead of having like this, I'll flip it like this, and then this is how you can do a winged like lash, where you can maneuver your lashes how you want it, and then you just go back. Next, to finish the face, still using the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo, and I also got this at Marshall's, and I only paid $3.99. And I've seen this the last time I went to Ulta, and they do have this in the store. So I'm gonna go in with this pretty gold, and it just says shimmer. So you have a sparkle and shimmer is what it says on here. Just grabbing your brush. So let's go in with a shimmer. And let's see what this is gonna give me. Okay, this is really cute. I even like the shimmer one. The shimmer one's really pretty. The sparkles in it is not too chunky or anything like that, and my skin looks wet on camera. It looks gorgeous on camera, and I really like it. All right, let's move on to lips, and I'm probably gonna do a nude lip because this is such a neutral eye. It's just a really pretty eye. So let me see. Okay, so I'm taking the Makeup Forever Anywhere Caffeine. This is like one of my favorite lip liners. Let's line our lips. Going with Peach Stock, so I'm doing what I did on my last video, and we're gonna tap this on. Although that last video, I don't think I had any lip liner on, which is okay. And we're just only tapping this on. Should I put a gloss on? Let me know in the comment section down below if you would put a gloss with this look right here, or would you just leave it as is? Let's put a little bit of a gloss. And I did use the MAC Peach Stock, and then I use Major Glow from Patrick Ta, which is really pretty. I use She's Expensive. This gloss feels amazing. I highly recommend that gloss. It's like so juicy on the lips. I love it. But okay guys, this is the finished look that I came up with. Super simple, easy to do, fast to do, and it just comes out really pretty. You can play this look up if you want to put some lashes on for the nighttime, for like date night or something. This would look so pretty on a date night. Yeah, I love how this look came out. Let me know in the comment section if you love the way this look came out as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that button down below, as well as I go ahead and link my social media accounts down below. That way you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, where I'm posting at as well. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.